Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change Bitcoin address on Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the only way to do this is simply by creating a new Cash App account if you want to generate a different wallet address. So for this, simply go to your profile, and once you're in your profile, all you gotta do is simply scroll down below. So once you're gonna scroll down below, you can find this option called support. So now all you gotta do is simply tap on it, and once you tap on support, you will end up in this kind of interface. So there you need to simply tap on account and setting. Once you choose account and settings, you need to now choose close your Cash App account. After you have chosen close your Cash App account, you need to now confirm that you want to close your Cash App, and you will be creating a new Cash App to generate a new Bitcoin wallet address. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.